When a critical gearbox fails, your entire operation stops. Every minute of downtime is revenue lost. You don't need a quick patch, you need a permanent solution. We handle the jobs others walk away from. At Specialty Gear Drives, we don't just repair, we revitalize. From specialized units like Western Gearworks and SPX to standard industrial drives, our approach goes beyond the surface. Whether it's lubrication breakdown or misalignment, we identify the root cause of failure so that when it leaves our shop, it stays running. We serve heavy manufacturing, power transmission, and any industry where failure isn't an option. Stop worrying about your critical assets. Get them rebuilt the right way. Contact Specialty Gear Drives today. Let's get you back in motion.
Specialty Gear Drives. Certified, reliable, industrial gearbox repair.